my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy and the U.S. Quantum Computing Cybersecurity Preparedness Act of 2022. So in 2022, in December, Joe Biden signed into law the Cybersecurity Preparedness Act. So this law is meant to get the federal government ready for post-quantum cryptography. So basically quantum computing, basically classical computers do cryptography in a way that can be vulnerable to emerging computing, which is like quantum computing. So the point of this law is really to get the federal government in line in terms of their systems and being able to audit and evaluate what they have, and also what they need to do or what they need to change about their systems to make it quantum resistant in terms of cryptography. So basically the Office of Management and Budget, they have to send an annual report to Congress going forward. The next deadline that they have for this pretty soon, which is May 4th, 2023. These certain government agencies have to provide an inventory of their assets containing cryptographic systems and what they plan to do about those systems. These federal agencies also have to, within a year of the post-quantum cryptography standards being finalized by NIST, they have to have a plan for how they're going to either shore up the systems that they have right now, change and go to new systems, migrate to new systems that are more quantum resistant. And it has steps. So every year, like I said, there's going to be a report that goes to Congress. They want to be able to be on a track to be more proactive about what would happen when these quantum computers are in place, and to be able to protect this data. This law is the small law is very significant though, because a lot of companies do business with the government. So if you are a software maker and you want to sell your product to the government, they want to know where you stand in terms of your post-quantum cryptography wares. So what you can do or what you can't do. I think that this is going to really light a fire under a lot of people in the tech space to get serious around quantum computing, especially if they may be in jeopardy. For example, let's say they have a contract with the federal government right now. They can't really meet their goals in terms of this post-quantum cryptography. The government may choose a new vendor for that. So I think we're going to hear a lot more about post-quantum cryptography and preparedness because it's just going to push downstream. So I think companies that hadn't thought about this before really need to think seriously about this, because I think this is going to be something that's going to be on everyone's checklist moving forward in terms of the types of cybersecurity that they expect with their tools going forward. That's it. Thank you.